You have x to make the subject of this equation. Square root of x squared plus a squared equals 3a. Now, first of all, you'd want to get rid of the square roots. And you do that by raising both sides to power 2, that's the square. Taking the square of both sides, and the essence is that the square cancels the square root, leaving you with x squared plus a squared equals the square of 3a. Now the square affects both of them. You have the square of 3 as 9 and a squared. Next, the a squared moves to this other side, and knowing that it has this plus, it becomes minus on the other side, and that gives you 9a squared minus a squared. Now, in algebra, if the coefficient is 1, you can do without writing it. And so 9a squared minus 9a is going to leave you with 8a squared. Now, the next thing you want to do is get rid of the square. And you get that done by taking the square root of both sides. That's the square root of this. Now the square root of the side. Now the square root of x squared leaves you with x. The square root of 8. Now 8 has a perfect square as one of its factors. 8 is 2, you have 4, and 2, you have 2, and 2 into 2, you have 1. So 8 is the product of 2, 2, and 2. And that's 4 times 2. So if we're going to simplify the square root of 8, you have 2 and roots of 2. Then multiplying the square root of a squared is a. Now in this case, this is what happened. You have square root of 4 times 2. That's as a square root of 8. Square root of 4 is 2, and then the root 2. The 2 is left because its square root is 1.414 and so on. So when you multiply this, you have 2a times the square root of 2. Please, if you're new here, do well to subscribe, like, and share.